Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, December 11th, 2024, we're going to take an in-depth look at XAUUSD. Recent news indicates strong bullish sentiment for gold, with several sources forecasting a potential retest of all-time highs near $2,790. However, we must remain cautious, as gold prices tend to be influenced by a multitude of factors, including the US dollar and economic data. Let's start by examining the daily chart. We can see several key support and resistance levels throughout this period. Looking back, we can identify strong support around the $1,900 mark and resistance near $2,000. A noticeable price surge occurred around mid-October 2024, peaking just above $2,000 before a slight pullback. The recent rally could be attributed to various factors, potentially including the positive outlook from Goldman Sachs, which is bullish even with the strong US dollar. However, a strong US dollar might create headwinds for XAUUSD, as it's dollar-denominated. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective. Here, we can observe the intraday fluctuations and potential momentum shifts. There's high-frequency trading at play with smaller timeframes. Note the high volume around the peaks and valleys. On the hourly chart, we can see a clear indication of support around the $2,650 to $2,660 range and resistance near $2,700. Notice how the price action on the 15-minute chart depicts the volatility within these hourly movements. Smaller candles show the frequent changes in price within the hour, leading to more minor but rapid fluctuations within the hourly time frame. If we zoom in on specific periods of the daily chart, we can look at support and resistance levels formed by distinct candlestick patterns. This is where we notice trends and reversals more clearly. For example, observe the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that occurred near the $1,950 price level, resulting in a significant price increase. Looking at the volume, we can see significant activity during periods of sharp price movements, indicating strong buying or selling pressure. The low-volume periods are times when the price is consolidating. In summary, the XAUUSD pair exhibits a complex interplay of bullish and bearish pressures. We've seen strong support around $1,900 and key resistance near $2,000 on the daily chart. The 1-hour chart suggests further immediate support at the $2,650 to $2,660 range and resistance closer to the $2,700 mark. The 15-minute chart showcases the intraday volatility and high-frequency trading. The likelihood of a move towards $2,790 is substantial based on existing bullish forecasts, but various economic conditions and US dollar movements could significantly alter this projection. Important upcoming economic data releases and any shifts in the US dollar's strength will greatly influence the market. A weakening dollar is typically bullish for XAUUSD. Conversely, if we see an unexpected surge in the US dollar or negative economic reports, it could trigger a price correction. Monitoring these developments is crucial for short-term trading decisions. Keep an eye on any breaking news, particularly concerning US economic data and the US dollar index. These events can trigger sharp movements in the price. Always use appropriate risk management techniques. Remember, technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle. Fundamental analysis is important too.